Are you tired of manually replying to every customer message and worried about missing out on important business opportunities? Our research shows that over 70% of customers will opt out of a purchase if they don't get a timely response, which means you could be missing out on a significant amount of potential revenue. In today's global marketplace, responding quickly and efficiently to customer messages is crucial for success. If you don't, your competitors could steal those opportunities away from you. But don't worry, we have a solution. Introducing WAPlus, a smart WhatsApp plugin that can automatically reply to your customers' messages, giving you a faster and more accurate response rate than your competitors. This can give you an edge in the global market and help you stay productive, even when you're busy. Using WAPlus has enabled us to achieve an impressive 30% growth rate in our client business, while also enhancing customer satisfaction levels significantly. We believe that WAPlus can be similarly beneficial for your business as well. Let me introduce you to how to use this feature. First, you'll need to find the WAPlus extension in Google. Install it and log into your WhatsApp account. Once you've done that, navigate to Auto Replied in the menu bar and click New Reply. With this feature, you can market and promote your business by sending promotional information, discounts, and other marketing content to your customers, increasing conversion rates and loyalty. For example, if you're planning a Black Friday campaign to drive potential users to your WhatsApp, you can create a template named Black Friday to improve response efficiency. In the expected keyword field, type Black Friday, and then type your reply. Thanks for your participation. Our product X is available for a Y discount during the Black Friday event. You can also use the button message feature to add text options, such as yes, no, or not sure, to gauge the user's interest. Alternatively, you can add a link to the purchase URL of the product, or even a phone number so that users can communicate with you by voice. This makes it more convenient for users to contact you and increases customer satisfaction. Although we use the auto reply function, we understand that people prefer communicating with real people rather than robots. That's why we've included dynamic variables at the bottom of the messages, where you can click on the last name or first name to make each message feel more personalized and less like a robot. Here are some additional features that can make the auto reply you set up even smarter. The first is allow only on specific days, which means you can choose certain days of the week to use the auto reply so you don't have to turn them on and off every day manually. Next up is allow to auto reply in groups. Choose groups that can use the auto reply to get information about Black Friday events to customers. Another useful feature is archive the conversation after replying, which archives conversations you have replied to keep your chats organized. To avoid disrupting an ongoing chat, you can select Don't Reply in Active Chat. By selecting Quote the sender's message with the reply, your auto replies will quote the sender's message to make it clearer and more understandable. The following feature is a bit special. If someone is sending spam or malicious content, such as repeatedly sending the keyword Black Friday, you can use the Do Not Reply and Block the Sender option to block them. The following two features are also designed to make your auto reply look more like a human being. You can check the box, the same contact can only reply once within 24 hours, and you can adjust the sending interval yourself. For example, I set it to 4 to 6 seconds here. Lastly, we have the Disable option, which allows you to turn off the auto reply feature after your Black Friday campaign ends. However, the keywords and responses you have set up will still be retained. These optional features can enhance your experience with WAPlus and help make your Black Friday campaign more effective. Apart from marketing promotions, this feature can also help you handle after-sales services, customer inquiries, and more. We believe it can significantly enhance your work efficiency and customer service quality, establish your brand image, and build customer trust, ultimately leading to increased sales performance. In addition to the auto reply feature, WAPlus is also a CRM tool that enables you to manage conversations, use quick replies, add comments to chat logs, and even start chats with non-contacts on the WhatsApp network. If you want to explore other features, we recommend watching our previous video. If you want to achieve more success in your e-commerce business, then having WAPlus with auto reply is a must-have. Download and try it now to experience unprecedented results. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below the video or contact us through the bottom right corner of our official website.